Having consistent and purposeful formatting in your workbook can help you maintain structure and prevent errors. It can also help a new user understand how to use your workbook better. It can be useful to use headings and subheadings in your workbook to indicate different sections and subsections. Here we've got subsections that fall under sections that fall under the worksheet title. So I'd call this a level 1 heading. It's going to apply to everything on this worksheet, and all of these numbers are going to pertain to expenses. That's what the reader can easily see. Then we've got our level 2 heading. That means that anything from here to here falls under that heading. They're all going to be marketing costs. Anything under this one is going to be general costs, for example. This could be a level 2 heading, and this is level 3 heading, meaning that everything under here is going to relate to Australia, but it's also going to relate to marketing costs. Note that every time we go in a level, we're going to take it in by one column. So that's in column B, that's in column C, that's in column D, and that's in column E. That's so that you can hold control and easily navigate around your different headings. So I could jump between my heading 2s like that, I could jump between my heading 3s like that, and I could jump between my heading 4s like that. And that's useful when you have a really long sheet and you want to jump full sections at a time. Note that as we go up from the level 4 text up to the level 1 text, we're going to be increasing that font size. So here it's 11, here it's bold and 11, and then we go up a level to the level 2 text. We've gone up to size 12, and then for the level 1 text, we've used size 14. And that's to make it visually clear. You can use color coding in your workbook to make it easy to understand and use. You may want to use cell formatting rules, being that if it's supposed to be a user input cell, you can give it one set of formatting. And if it's just supposed to be a calculation cell that the user isn't supposed to override, you can give it another formatting. For example, all calculation cells might have the default white background with black text, where all user input cells could have a gray background and dark blue text, for example. Anything that can help to tell a user where they should be entering information and where they shouldn't be entering information can help prevent errors and help them from overriding what should just be calculation cells. Another useful trick here is that if you've got whole worksheets, like one worksheet that's dedicated to inputs and another worksheet that's dedicated to just calculations, you can give them different worksheet background colors, in the sense that we'll select all cells, and if this is going to be an input worksheet, we might make it gray so that a user knows they should only be entering information into a gray sheet. But if this, I'll just undo that. If the worksheet has a white background, they should not be entering information into that sheet. That's just a calculation sheet. So you can come up with your own formatting styles. However, having a difference between where a user should be entering information and where they shouldn't be can help you prevent errors.